this is none other than the big bad mighty Terrorize International.
Shake your naughty dreadlock. Shake your naughty dread. Shake your naughty dreadlock. Shake your naughty dread. Hey, I'm on a roll and I'm going on a rampage. Come on stage, so I got to hit the front page. Every time that you see me hit the stage, dreadlocks, I want to let your child blaze. Going up and I can't go on. Don't you know the dreadlocks gonna roll like thunder? Lightning crash and the weak heart soul. And don't you know the dread under full control? Shake your naughty dreadlock. Shake your naughty dread. Shake your naughty dreadlock. Shake your naughty dread. Hey, don't you know I'm a undercover lover? I and I always stay above her. Never go beneath her. Don't wanna hear between my teeth and don't go over the sheet. Don't you know I don't pass the breast? I would never want to success. Never would I want to succeed. All I want to do is burn my color weed. Going up 100, I can't go 100 down. No, you know, no. Josey, well, don't you know I'm the champion? Rastafari, I the number one. Lord, I wouldn't want to say John Wayne.
Bang better angle bang. What da dang. Hey, bang better angle I say to Margaret, Margaret, you must take me to your target. A target with man and in a casket. A casket, them wrap the biscuit in a plastic. A plastic, you want to see me with elastic. Elastic, me can me bust it go a market. A market, John when him a target. A target, little bitch in my target.
Ease up, Inspector. No respect, no respect. No, you hear me? Hold it. All of the money we know say, they put a fire upon Versace. I will burn mosquito, man, fancy everything there. 1 room, 2 room, and even bathroom. Man, fancy have room. 2 room, 3 room, and even dining room. Man, fancy have room. Wake up in the morning, and me wake up well soon. Go in at the bathroom and get myself groomed. Me have to put on some Rasta perfume. Then me have to put on my biggest costume. Make sure my pants man is full of a roof. Me not gonna move like Archie Porgy, yes. Me not gonna move like the girl named Josey. Me not gonna go on like me too sexy. A 1 room, 2 room, and even bathroom. Man fancy have room. Well, all of them man we know your pants have room. And in the area you feel all of room. What Inspector? Hold on. All of the man we know say them pants have room. Say room.
The big bad mighty Terrorize
It's the
International.
Versace thing. It's expensive, but don't make it get it ready on your eye. Because man fancy have a thing named what? Room.
Alright now, my brethren. You know this time, not for serious. Cause every little thing you run for Babylon, and everything you run Ghana station, and every little thing you run for wicked man, and every little thing you gonna station. After you see me stepping down the street with me big 4-5, just trying to protect her and keep myself alive. The boy run gun, down a unspear, but him side the colonel in a gunplay. Every little thing you run for Babylon, every little thing you gonna station, every little thing you run for Babylon. Every little thing you gonna station. You see, line lips abomination to the land, but some brethren know them a fraud. Some fast mouth people always live near me yard. I carry for me business, got some broad. Them a put time and name up on the light post. Oh, chat to me and brag on me and boss. And then them said them are my friend, but them is my enemy. And not them me have to love up the most Lord. Every little thing you run for Babylon, every little thing you gonna station. Wheel up, Inspector. Bring me Agent Charlie Chaplin.
Real only feel. Last year I know. When Stur get off a play man and straight till the morning. Big up the youth like Ricky Trooper in the place. Belter, easy. Brigadier Jerry. Watch nothing. Respect Anthony B. I have good youth. Little Twitch. Papa Biggy. Pablo. Sturgia Pro, Inspector. I said this sing my lover, my life. Now don't you so sad at the party. Forget your troubles until tomorrow. Say don't be so sad at the party, baby. Whenever you're ready. Oh, what am I saying? Hold my hand when you're ready. Let me rock. Come and say rock with Papa Sturgia. Rock with Papa Sturgia. Papa Josey go downtown and the crowd gather round. Josey go downtown and the crowd gather round. Them say that him plays the Sturgia. Calic go twitch him chat downtown and the crowd gather round. Some of them black and some of them purple, some of them don't. Them say that him a DJ Sturgia. Tell you say that him a DJ Sturgia. So little gunshot bust, no run for Babylon. And little herb a smoke, no run for Babylon. And little pint in a one, no run for Babylon. I say keep on rocking and keep on swing, cause them in more to eat like a bong. And so the man says, so the things don't play. And I say keep on skanking, cause Sturgia play straight till the morning. See? Along with Charlie Chaplin, Josey, Brigadier Jerry, and the whole Sturgia crew.
Thing, the man tell me, because you know I've got a good vocabulary. And my grammar is alright. Let's go. The man who drive a truck, any man who drive a truck, bridge, and you have black command gate and the man come out. See? So big guy just forward and move it right here. Bird in a tree. We come the battery style. We're Rasta singer.
Hold on. Nowhere for me. Nowhere.
Ricky Trooper, yeah. Biggy.
Hold on. I've got no money in my pocket and I can't get no job. Seems like them want me to rob. No work for me. Hold on. No work for me. My brother walking down the road with his heavy load. Hey, Mr. Big Man, why won't you change the code? No vacancies. No vacancies. Hey, why poor people have to feel it low? We just don't work and them a drop it out. Can't face wife and pick the iron. I forget a visa, I go over abroad. But over abroad it's no better now. The system up there is getting bitter. If you were on the run corner, you may end up as a dead young.
What's the paragraph tell them? You don't have to say you're sorry for all. Rastafari, Emperor Selassie, I will praise. Holy Emmanuel, tell them no man called Josey, the Godfather, Charlie Chaplin, Brigadier Jerry. Stereograph. It's an honor to work with I. Super Biggy, you don't know a little bit. Tell them Stereograph. You don't have to say you're sorry for all the wrongs that you have done. I don't wanna hear sad stories, cause the damage already done. Who the damage already done. Ricky Troop and Buggy, broken bones and wounds need tender repair. Hang on, brother man, don't despair. Although we forgive, save time save, still the damage already done. Oh, the damage already. Stereograph, tell them, stop and listen a while. So meditation style, going straight to your mind, to your wicked and wild. Only way you can deal with this vice. Spectre say free up your soul. I want to say Biggy. I'll pull up one more time, Inspector Willie. Now you have some youth, Colonel.
Who stand up on street corner and pose with gun and them tell themselves that I'm a bad boy. What do you don't call me that bad boy? And when I go to the funeral, when the law officer them fling them down, but them not have no time for, you not have nothing for the time them a waste. So you want know? Find the corner with your big gun, say you're not run, like you're waiting on the cops to come. Find the corner with your big gun, say you're not run, like you're waiting on the cops to come. Tell me what shall it be? Is it the road to life or the cemetery? Your mother can't say that you're salt. Losing your life will be your own fault. Say you went to war and came back alone. Boasting you defeated Al Capone. Telling me I'm blind, can't I see? You were the one who conquered John Gotti. Telling me cool and go hold my space. You were the one who murdered Scarface. But Papa Biggy have no time to go a funeral. So why you want the lamb and reduce the decimal? Find the corner with your big gun, say you're not run, like you're waiting on the cops to come. Corner with your big gun.
I don't know, I say it's the original stereograph in the session. Anthony B, I tell them, how many man said Josey well, Godfather?
Selassie, I'm a Rasta brethren. Jah live, sing. Jah live in the arts of I think one lead that's no folly. I wouldn't want to say principal.
Yes, Colonel. Make war go. I mean, say make downstairs. I mean, say band the rock, but then you put that in the way now play. That's how I tell you.
I've been searching, Lord.
So the man say,
Someone.
say baby like you. And also me cannot say. For now, rub on your baby girl, or so me say. Cause say you get to be true. Come in, me tell you, say, Will Inspector Willie. Last year I live, shake a leg, man. I wouldn't want to say Mojo.
Selassie, Anthony B, alone here, hurt the heart, and them can't hurt the soul.
Low. Well, that one is something brand new, only feature by Stereograph. Because it's true we start on the fire boy and someone burn some unsensible fire. Stereograph. Get all you say, one bus, them one come out of there. My yeah. Someone like you. Yo, someone like you. Listen me, get all you one bus, them one come out of the dust, them one fish shine off. Stop gather us, is a must. Tell me them one come first. Unite and yo. But man a fire brand. But a certain things we not go put the fire pan. Nah burn money get to youth $1,000. Nah burn house cause them one mansion. Get to youth to them nah burn caravan. Hit them use and one bus. Too much youth in the slum and suffer boy.
The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. Then how you for bus? How you for burn them things then?
Original Stereograph. Garnet silks and necessity. Necessity is food, water. Remember, you can't live without them things. That's why get on youth one bus here. Them a search for the bus. Kilimanjaro, you don't know Biggy Chupa in the house. Stereograph. Oh Lord. Portmore, get a youth one bus. Them one come out of the rust. Them one fish shine off and stop gather us. Is a must. Tell me them one come first. Tell them a go stop war. But man a fire brand. But a certain things we not go put the fire pan. Nah burn money get a youth $1,000. Nah burn house cause them one mansion. Get a youth say them nah burn caravan. Hit them use and move to and from. But we burn shatter. Bun gun.
Yeah. Any man who want bun can go and bun. When them gone, we'll give them bun. So last year I know. You saying? Anything a man want bun him bun. A chalice me a bun. So last year I.
I've been searching, Lord, wide world for someone.
Lord, stir down from the dreadlock sound, them can't swing. Lord, stir young for the Rasta sound, them can't test swing. Make them go and cast stir young for Selassie I sound, can't test swing. All the followers stir young is a Rasta man sound, them can't test swing. You see it, lazy and foggy of a war. Both of them were superstar. They were trying to fuss and fight over the mic when I had my 38 that night. You see, it was gonna be a shootout. It's a lucky thing I wasn't a scout. So I put it back and I draw them back and I say relax and talk to dreadlocks. Stir young for the champion zone, them can't test me. Stir young for the Rastaman sound, them can't test me. Lord, come in, Papa Biggy. That's why I say, Colonel, give me a chance to exercise my freedom of speech. The place get too hot, so I can't stand the heat. Is this democracy or it's hypocrisy? Somebody please tell me, how you expect me to shut up my mouth when every day another innocent life leak out? How you expect me to hide when we sign up when every day an excel you get lick up? Yeah, you know, sir. Give me a chance to exercise my freedom of speech. The place get too hot and I can't stand the heat. Too much blood I spill out the street. How much more blood will have to spill for you to succeed? How much more to get to you blood will have to bleed before you think that Babylon succeed? Too much hypocrisy and too much bureaucracy. Yeah, you know, say something. Selassie I. I wouldn't want to support the part God Selassie I. Jesus Christ in the skinny character and come as a lamb to the slaughter. Head cook and back to wash a boot and dump the conqueror. I want to say, now this your sound of the ranking. Now this your sound of the ranking. This your sound of the ranking. Who pass the row of the ranking. Now give me whole wide world. Give me Jaja. Morning ride. You take the whole wide world. Okay, with Jaja, take it with Jaja, sweet, sweet Jaja, take the silver and gold. Okay, with Jaja, take it with Jaja, sweet, sweet Jaja, you can the pretty girls in the whole wide world, but I never gonna give Jaja up. No way, said I never gonna give Jaja up. Hey. No matter how the Babylon fight, say, oh no, oh no, oh no. Now let me tell you, Colonel Red Stripe Beer and a Heineke. Now this daddy Jen named Papa Chaplin, but this your sound of the ranking. It's a the ranking, stereo. Show the place to the people, them general. Now this one dedicated about the war where they have out a Palisades. Out a airport, you know. What the country people, them call it Palisades. See into it? I hear say Capleton and Beanie Man put on some fighting out there. So people them want to know about it, man. You ever tell them people? I talk about the war. Where them did a fight out of Palisades. Tell them how the people wanna know about the war. Where them did a fight out of Palisades. Hear me now? Say Beanie Man travel first class cause him don't like to wait. So him clear him immigration and him come out of the place. Never know say Capleton, bridging him out there, wait them cut him. Hold on! How warm we a get warm, man? Kinda jumpy but now watch it. See it. That one name the war. Where them did a fight out of Palisades. They got twitch them really wanna know about the war. Where them did a fight out of Palisades. Lord of mercy. Beanie Man travel first class cause him don't like to wait. Him clear him immigration and him come out of the place. Never know say Capleton, bridging them out there, I wait them cut him 2 8-pound box. Me say in a him face and then him drop. All of him luggage and chase back in a the place. A police woman back all her big 38. So that, hold it! That's so that spectacle jumping. Now wicked we are getting at the early morning, yeah. Now Colonel come me like you have to go give me a liquor for the chalice. Alright, now me get physical fit. Lord of mercy. All ganja man say pam pam. Jesus Christ. You ever know?
You me know? You me know? In front of station, the ganja piper born. So yeah, hold on.
Well, I hear, well, on Chaplin. The man them from down at St. Elizabeth, where they come check me. And I tell me, say them want to run a challenge contest. But them can't run a challenge contest unless King Stur have a play. So you hear me? All the man who love ganja say, ganja! Arms! Charlie Chaplin, burn it up! But a bad draw with Charlie Chaplin, man.
Yeah, man, little twitch. Ganja for bun, my youth. Stir ya for ya, man. It was a cool and lonely, breezy afternoon. How you feel when you got no herb? As I pass the dreadlocks camp, I hear them sing. Where them sing when you hear them sing? Them say, pass the coachip on the right hand side, girl. Pass the coachip on the left. The chalice have to burn, because the herb can't done. What you know, Inspector? Say, ganja have to go a foreign. Ganja must go to foreign. Ganja have to go a foreign. Ganja must go to foreign. Cause if we put it on a ship and them take it off, put it on a boat and them take it off, put it on a plane and them take it off, put it on a girl and them take it off. We just tame about 6 big shovel mouth shark. So the ganja in a them belly make them swim go New York. It have to go off for real. Will.
Charlie Chaplin, don't move. All the man love all the men say, arms! King, you know I'm Charlie Chaplin. Well, Sensimina was found at Solomon grave. Fibon Sensimina at the youth them trade. But from your body crap, me said afraid to get afraid. Go rob your cousin sister, me say straight down the nail. Well, Twitch is the name, and ganja is the game. And from your body crap, me said afraid again. It a feeble, Charlie's a feeble. It a feeble. Charlie's a feeble. All right, you me tell him so now. Driving down the street, smoking indoor, sipping on Barbara roots. Lay back with my weed and my mind and herbs on my mind. Walking down the street, smoking indoor, sipping on Barbara roots. Lay back with my weed and my mind. Come and tell them what herbs is free. Just like the river, just like the sea. Anywhere me go, me can burn the key. Have ganja 1, 2 and 3. Have ganja A, B and C. Ganja build me fridge and me settee. Ganja build me house that everyone can see. Just the other day, the government come check me. Them want me give peach, you want ganja lady. If you love the ganja, you may shout with me. Herbs of everybody know it. That's why walking down the street, smoking indoor, sipping on Barbara Road. Charlie Chaplin.
Lord of mercy, look at it, but let me tell them, man. Come and say pop style. Kill them with the no. I make them know cocaine you not blow. Me say pop style. Kill them with the no and tell them ganja man them say so. Me want you clean your teeth and make we see it. If you know say that the cocaine does you not eat. Come and hold on, Spectre. And I said that shred that Spectre, cause you know say we no kin teeth. We left that for dead dog on street, so don't worry cause everything cook and curry. Our Inspector Willie and Charlie. Yes. Yes, man, you know, say when we come about there is worries and problem, man. Bounty killer talk about eagle and hawk surround him. But you see, I culture we come back, we put back in a dance hall, man. What I mean? You know why I look at Twitch? One time I pay a bashment did I go on, and we come change that. Cause one time they never want build no show around we. Them a go on like I said, them would a drown we. But you then see, no, the people, them a crown we. All over the world, the promoter, them a own we. If we did that cow, you know them would a pound we. Not to the blessing of the good God surround me. Nobody man can come and show come stone with. He can no eagle and no hawk no surround with. Hold on! Moro.
Hold on. Spectre Wallet. Charlie Chaplin, you can't stop talk. You know what the people them say them want from you? This I wanna call it diet rock. Hold on. Who want diet rock? Say diet rock. Who want more Charlie Chaplin? Say Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin, the man they want. This I want call it diet rock.
Well, a truck 1385cc, a black man out there, so I go move it, see? Jano. Right now, I show you see all in the early morning, man, a black up man. And nice, you know, come the great reminder and Bird Promotion in association with Jamaica present a night called Best in the West. On Saturday, October 10th, featuring King Stur Wi-Fi along with a man called Josey, Brigadier Jerry, Daddy Uri, Papa Biggy, Little Twitch, Lone Ranger, Inspector Willie, and I, Charlie Chaplin, and the whole crew. And a place called Landile in Westmoreland. Sing, so make it a date and don't be late. Admission, $300. First price, a color TV and a fridge, so check it out. Sing, original. Right now, I say keep on rocking and keep on skank. Lord have mercy. Say Papa Chaplin at the party. I hear some man talk about them a girlies, but I ain't no time to deal with no relationship. Me prefer come a dance, come lick me chalice. Early morning ride, ganja man, prepare. You look on them and tell them. Say that a long time man with chalice. And we on the ganja never yet in a malice. Me want that unload the herb in a me chalice. See ya fi go lick me and me friend Ninja with. Cause this a herb war. Then tell me how the herb not the far. And now me can't get a pound in a me car. Say this a herb war. Run go bring the ganja no star. Cause Papa Chaplin a the only herb gar. Cause ganja fi the near, ganja no fi the far. Ganja na me herb, me pick me bike and me car. Ganja na me grip all me Spaniard jar. Me all at what the ganja pa me bicycle bar. Cause this a hold on. Jesus Christ. I would have wanna sell a good twitch.
Hold on, Charlie Chaplin. I learn to give me tune. Tell us the people them want. The people them say them want. Don't wanna call it diet rock. Don't wanna call it diet rock.
You too, Lord, we have to go pan diet, you too. Repetitive, we have to go pan diet, Lord. Give me juice, me say that a coconut. Give me beetroot, give me carrot. Me auntie and me uncle is a pika. And me mama and me papa them a talking parrot. Say me surname, me say that back. But we come master rug, you have say we know how to rock with too. Lord, where you big up and
so me walk, them call me walking twitch. Me talk them. Hey, Charlie Chaplin, turn we loose now, Grinchman. Stop lick me now, me side me brethren while you rock to the blues. We tell them turn we loose now. Grindsman, stop lick me in on my side while you rock to the blues. Well, so me walk, them call me walking twitch. Me talk, them call me talking twitch. Me run, them call me running twitch. Me skip, them call me skipping twitch. Chaplin, full of lyrics, me just full of lyrics, elementary, full of lyrics, me just full of lyrics. From 1976, I did say you to get rich. Enough for me, use me want me satellite dish. Can't give me a key and go listen, give me fish. From the flick of me rich and make you jump and twist. Yeah, man, banana, I sell a market. Lettuce, carrot and turnip, watch it, fit. Should have seen me this morning when me go a market. Buy scallion, pimento, and garlic. Me buy yam and potato and garlic. Now me come and dance at the seat. Well, pull up. Grindsman. I hear time now, but you don't have to joke out my side, some brother. Well, Anna, you come like you're what am I say, Papa Chaplin?
Yes, Sprinter. Alright, now the people them say they want to all lyrics.
None other than
yes.
the big bad mighty Turbulence International.
I say dedicated to all Westmolanites. Lord have mercy. You look what I'm telling you. Say from Kingston unto Christiana. Me say me get 3 bunch of banana, 14 pound of the sweet cassava, 19 pound of the dry ginger, 18 pound of the red tomato, 16 pound of the sweet potato. Me say me tap a bag of water, man, me catch a river water. Car could not start, so they want in a radar. Walk from a country, go walk Kingston Plaza. Never had no money, me a paper row will start, but too much water down a new market. Too much water down a new market. But one cocoa said the full basket. We can't hang, we can't power, we can't reach it. Cause the rich man a bury in a casket. Man me said the top of it a cover with velvet. Me said the poor man a bury in a dirty dirt pit. The body just a cover with the damn plastic. Then a funeral a look well justice. Lord them a funeral a look well selfish. Come me say give me the beat, I want you free my soul. I wanna get caught in your rock and roll and then drift away. And so the man call Inspector will say, hold it, but good it. Strictly morning ride, you know. And I says a jive, if you see the item a stir gap and enjoy themselves. And no man not tell no woman to kin out here so I'm wet up nobody with no beer. I just love. Second Twitch. Come in Twitch. Come in.
Where's the grinds, man? Ease up, Inspector Willie. Well, it's the grinds, man. It's a little youth who born in farm. I love music business. I hears me, I listen to Inspector Willie, Charlie Chaplin, Josey and Brigadier Jerry, Banking Sturagaff. I saw when me come as Sturagaff, me feel holy mind. How will you deal with? Easy Charlie Chaplin, of course, me a holy boy. You think man a young boy. All ganja man, set straight, said where. Can you hear me or tell them, sir? Some call me name, and I'm a career, them a stay now. One style big man as them. Cowboy cocaine, the world no. Man a ganja bonanza, and the herb when me born name Alaska. Just call me name, and I'm a career, them a stay now. One style big man as them. Cowboy cocaine, the world no. Man a ganja bonanza, and the herb when me born name Alaska. Oh, it give me such a pleasure, give me such a thrill. For easy and relax and blaze ganja cold skill. Inhale the smoke, let it through me nostril. Observe peaceful and tranquil. Then give me all 5 for push water uphill. Blood glaucoma, get an injection and pill. Why Babylon a fight good ganja still? For burn weed and praise drive my favorite will. Now stop let chalice in flames until my wish, my heart and my desire fulfill. Stop burn down the ganja from out of the hill. Loud the earth and make the soil till. Some call me name and I'm a career them a stain. One style with man as them. Cowboy contain the world though. Man a ganja bonanza and the herb when me burn name Alaska. This a double standard, don't tell me it's not. You see how them a kill a little ganja where we got a hook. Import the cocoa, import the cracker. You can follow the down hook pan that. Like them a just sign a lifetime contract. Ganja inspire me to under the clock. Never ever tell me figure bust up the clock. So me escape them Babylon trap. And then, as me left here, so I can reap a next crop. Harvest a come and have ganja in stock. To a high grade weed and me herb never flop, never turn nobody not idiot. No call me name. You see me? Blessed be King Selassie. You don't know a sturgy off this. Any rhythm put up me can't ride.